Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Corrado Firera, fashion and lifestyle blogger and web influencer, and today I'm realizing this video tutorial to show you my grooming routine and in particular way how I style my hair. Everything you need is just an hair dryer like this, then you need an hair brush and obviously a BluMaan hair wax. So let's start this tutorial. If you would like to lock your hair, you need just to use a hair spray like this and go to spray here, and your style will be locked perfectly. Do you like my look? Let me know by commenting below, and if you liked the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the YouTube channel to not lose the new video. Thanks for being with me, and bye!